Hello guys, welcome to Elevator's Crypto Hub. So in this video, I'll be showing you how you can connect your Pixelverse wallet to your exchange. But please, before I start, if you know that you haven't started on Pixelverse, it is high time you start now. I will be leaving the link in the description box so that you can start right now. So make sure you have either Binance, BYBIT, OKS, etc. for you to be able to connect this wallet. So let's get started. All you need to do is to click on this wallet icon. So when you click on the wallet icon, it is going to show you different exchanges. You see Binance, you see OKX, you see BYBIT, KuCoin, etc. So these exchanges are here for you to choose from. You can choose any of the exchanges you want to connect your Pixelverse to. So in this video, I will be using BYBIT. I'll be connecting my Pixelverse to my BYBIT. So I'll click on BYBIT and it says, do you have a BYBIT account? So if you have it, you just click on yes, I have it. But if you don't have it, you click on create account. So since I have it, I'm going to clicking on yes, I have it. As you can see what it's saying here, it said write down your USDT ERC20 wallet address to receive tokens. So to get this wallet address, you have to go to your BYBIT. So let me go to my BYBIT. So when you go to your BYBIT account, you click on assets. So when you click on assets, it will bring you to this page. Then you click on deposit. Then after clicking on deposit, you click on deposit crypto. Then look for USDT because they say you should send your USDT address. So select USDT to show you the chain types that are available. From the Pixelverse bot, it said that we should send our USDT ERC20 address. So I'm going to be clicking on the ERC20. So when you click on it, it will give you this prompt notice. Click on OK. So you can see the wallet address. It is here. So copy the wallet address. So after copying the wallet address, you go back to your Pixelverse, paste the address in this space. So this is all you need to do. Click on made it and it is done. So your wallet is connected. Gotcha! This is how you connect your Pixelverse to any of the wallets you want to connect. Thank you for watching, and if you have not subscribed to this channel, do well by clicking on the subscription button below and also like this video so we can send more of this video to you. Thank you. See you next time.